Back once again with the man, the legend, Hal Bell. Hal has the special news for his fans out there.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? I have a lot of fans, and I just love them all. And I would like to remind you that you could follow me on Twitter at the legend Howie Bell. We're going to have a lot of videos, a lot of stuff for the fans, and a lot of info. Okay,
entertainment, sports, everything,
yeah,
right?
Entertainment, sports, a little bit of politics. As dirty as politics is, and it's the most dirtiest thing that you could ever do. I feel like I have to just wipe my rectum after talking about it. I really
How?
You know,
I follow you right now. I enjoy it.
I'm only saying this because I just love the fans, and I want to keep people in.
Okay, what's the Twitter account again?
The legend Howie Bell.
The legend Howie Bell. One word.
Yes.
I'll make sure
one word. You know, just get out. There's a lot of videos and info and everything.
All right. Appreciate it as usual. Thank you, Howie Bell.